Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my September book haul. So some of these books I picked up at Brooklyn Book Festival, which I blogged about in the previous video, where you'll see me walking around, getting my book signed, meeting authors, going to discussion panels. So the only book that I did not purchase this month was sent to me by the publisher, and that is called Pigeon Blood Red by Ed Duncan. And this is what you call a made-for-TV kind of crime drama, surrounding stolen jewelry. And so far, the first half I was like, oh. The second half I was really enjoying the book. I thought it was exciting and give me something different. So I'm going to definitely review this when I'm done. I'm not quite done. I'm at the end, so we'll see. Now, the next book is why I didn't finish that book, and that is called Singh, Unburied, Singh by Jasmine Ward. And this is a family saga, family drama that basically deal with grief. It was haunting, it was sad. There were moments where I'm not sure how to feel, and but it's a very difficult book in terms of it's a very emotional book, and I couldn't put it down. I can't talk. I couldn't put it down, and I read it pretty quickly. I'm definitely going to do a written review of this on my blog, and then my monthly wrap up, I'll talk more about it. The next book is called What It Means When a Man Falls from the Sky, and this is from Lezinika Arama. So this one is a collection of short story. Not sure exactly what the story is about, but I've seen it everywhere, this book. And so far, the feedback, people are saying it's a good book. And I haven't read any other collection of short stories since I've read Difficult Women by Roxane Gay. So I was looking forward to this. And this time of the year, I really love reading stuff like this. So the next books are all from the Brooklyn Book Festival. And the first one is called Inside My Mother by Ali Kabi Eckerman. And this is a poetry book. And she is one of the stolen children from Australia. So, she had a discussion panel where she talks about, having to rediscover her culture, who she is, and connecting with her mother, and how that relationship was, before she was able to really heal and move on from that ordeal that she experienced. So I know this is going to be a very emotional poetry book, but I kind of tend to gravitate to more poetries that are emotionally driven. So we'll see. The next one is called Nothing's Map by Erna Bradburn. So this is a short story as well, but this is about a girl who lives in England, and her roots, her immediate family roots are Jamaican, and I'm also Jamaican, so I thought this would be interesting to read, what the girl discovered about her culture, and maybe things I didn't know. I do feel like I know a lot about my culture, but there's always new things that I don't know, so I'm looking forward to reading this one. The next book is a contemporary book. It's called New People by Danzy Senna, and this is a couple, I believe they're in college or about to graduate college, and one of them fall for someone else, and it stirred up a lot of social issues and things that aren't so great. So I am looking forward to this. This one is got mixed reviews, but I'm all for mixed review books anyway, so we'll see how this works out. And the last book I picked up is a collection of graphic novel, and this is called Guan. And I thought this was interesting because these are a lot of independent graphic novel author, and it is, a good way to get into graphic novel if you're not a graphic novel fan. I am a graphic novel fan, but I don't read a lot of graphic novel, so I was definitely looking forward to reading this. This one was signed as well. Actually, all the books I got at Brooklyn Book Festival were all signed by the author, and this one, only one of the author was there at the booth, and he signed. So I think he's the last story on here, and he signed the this for me. So I'm looking forward to this. So this should be interesting, especially, you know, if these author actually do have their own separate books. So it would be nice to see what their style is, and maybe pick up some of their book in the future. Depends on how I like this. And that's all the books I got. This, I would say the second half of the year is a lot of really good new releases. And so far I haven't been disappointed by a lot of the books I've read compared to the first half of the year. So looking forward to more. If you've read any of these, you know, let me know if you liked it. Also, any recommendation of books you're reading now, I am free for any recommendation. Leave it in the comment section. And that's it. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoy my videos and my blog, my vlogs, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. And that's it. Have a good day. Bye.